Hello my friends, today we will learn how to generate bulk product schema for WooCommerce products. Before we get started, make sure you have installed both the free and pro versions of SchemaEngine AI. Simply search for SchemaEngine AI in the plugins section and install the free version of the plugin first. While done, click on Activate it to begin. Instantly, you'll get a wizard setup to configure it in a few easy steps. Now let's install the pro version of this SchemaEngine AI plugin. So navigate to the plugins from the dashboard and click on Upload plugin. Then choose File. Select the exact zip file that you downloaded earlier. Next, click on Install Now. While done, activate the plugin. Now open the SchemaEngine AI settings. Here you can see different schema-related options like General Settings. Configure the basic plugin settings according to your website requirements. Now move to the Site Info section. Here you need to provide your website information for merchant schema. For example, set your subcategory such as website name, logo, and other important business information like price range, the telephone number, and after that address. For example, street address, your city, region, and the postal code along with the country name. You can also fulfill the geo coordinates and the site others info. According to it, set your opening hours and the day. To enhance your business experience, you can also provide a dedicated help center so your customers can receive faster support whenever they need assistance. For the page, you can select a page on your site where you want to show the local business metadata. It could be About page, Contact page, and etc. After that, open the Social Profile section. Now add your business social media profile links like Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn, Instagram, or YouTube. These links help search engines understand your brand identity better. Next is sub-organization, where you can provide your sub-organization information to a Google Knowledge panel. After that, corporate contacts. You can select your contact type and etc. Now move to the e-commerce. From here, you can add e-commerce information for the schema markup. So for this, provide your brand title, then select the identifier type. And here you can see merchant return policy, from where you can configure this for product schema markup. From the shipping details, shipping rate and destination are pulled from WooCommerce shopping zone. You can configure the delivery time by setting this. In the next, AI settings. First, enable and configure AI settings, then set the confidence threshold, FAQ count, and next API configuration. Select the API provider that you prefer. Let's select Google Gemini. Then provide its API key, its model number, and the max tokens. Then click Save. For the post type mapping, you can select the product schema type for post. For example, article blog posting. And then if you want, you can enable auto-generate schema with AI based on site. Next, move to the product. Here, select your schema type for products. While selecting the product auto schema will support for the following plugins like WooCommerce Easy Digital Downloads, FluentCart Shortcut Download Manager, and the classified listing. Then enable auto generate if you want. Next, navigate to the AI settings. If you further want, you can keep auto generate option enable or disable. If you enable this, reset and rerun auto generation option will be available. What's happening here is that the bulk auto schema generation process is currently in progress. If you click on this link, the auto generation progress will be updated in every few seconds so that you can track auto generation progress here. Now it's done. Let's click on here to edit. Where you can view AI generated schema for each post. And this is an appropriate preview of how your page appears in the Google search result. You can see the result. Your schema is valid and search ready. Now we will verify whether the generated schema is eligible for Google Reach results. Google will crawl the page and analyze the structured data available on that URL. After the test completes, you can see that the page is eligible for Reach results. The detected schema types and validation status are displayed on the screen. You can also expand the detected schema details to review the generated structured data and verify that everything has been implemented correctly. Next, return to there. Now we will check few more products. For this, let's click on edit to any random product what you like. In addition to automatic schema generation, SchemaEngine AI also provides AI-powered schema creation features. Once the test finishes, the structured data is now embedded on the page and ready for search engine indexing. And that's how you can automatically generate, manage, and validate bulk schema markup using SchemaEngine AI. Thank you for watching today's new tutorial.